Hi there folks, I'm just about to go out for another wee wander somewhere. Today I'm actually going to be going up to a place called Coves Nature Reserve, which is like a new nature reserve that's been set up. It's going to be up around the Coves Reservoir, which is in Inverclyde. I think it's actually going to be, well, parts of it's going to be overlooking the River Clyde. And it's just kind of going to go see what's there, see what it's like, take some videos while I'm up there. I think I'm going to be meeting somebody who's actually part of the group that's organising the nature reserve, and he's going to be showing me around and just kind of give him a bit of publicity as their new nature reserve. And it is quite a cold day outside, so kind of wrap up warmly. I think it's going to be, the next couple of days are going to be the coldest days this year, so yeah, plenty of layers, keep warm, but hopefully get some good videos while I'm up there. It will look very, very pretty. So I'm just going to get myself ready and head off, and I'll see you all in a minute. Bye bye. Oh, that's me got here. That's the Inverclyde Hospital just there. And this is what they're wanting to turn into the nature reserve. So, just check that view. I think the water, the reservoir is right in front, and the water behind that, I think it's the river, I think that's the Clyde. And beyond that would be the Trossachs. But that's an amazing view.
I really don't know. Because Mary went back to college this week, didn't she?
We occasionally get things up here with harriers.
Do you? Right,
Always a good sight.
breeding.
I think it was the first really wet day after
Aye.
a big dry spell.
Aye.
So up and moved. It was an interesting pond that goes here. There's no bills on it.
Alright.
It might have been imported from America.
Alright.
Very good. Higher edge, it comes out about 10-15 feet.
Alright.
The ducks love it. They love it.
Aye.
Well,
Well,
the kids.
yep.
It's a real nest.
Aye, they tend to stick to the shallows, what do they put?
I'm not sure the actual depth of the water, but I think it's quite shallow, very far
Aye.
out in that sense.
That probably kind of goes quite deep in the middle.
Yeah. I think there's a few little ground in there.
Aye.
I remember when I was young, before they opened the
I can clear it all back.
All back. Chopped it down. Carrots, like bloody glasses.
One for all you military archaeologists and historians. That's anti-aircraft, an anti-aircraft battery. This has been overlooking the River Clyde. Aye. It's a really good vantage point as well. I've got to keep the trees right down.
That's it.
Because, but you can see right Clyde Bank.
Clyde Bank.
Aye. Didn't really help much in the night, did it?
Well, not really. I wouldn't mind looking up to see if it actually hit anything.
Aye.
But it did.
Maybe a wee bunker.
I've got some old aerial photos from the ward as well.
Aye.
Show it. And see how it was.
Again, it's like a bit like this. You could have like the information points.
Yeah, that's it.
For folks.
That's all what the council was talking about.
Aye.
Yeah, the council came along and put gates on everything as well.
Alright. It doesn't stop archaeologists. That's the way we've just come down. Get the finger out the road. So all this water's going down to the reservoir. Well, that was a good wee walk. And I'll make a wee correction now, because I said earlier on at the start of the video that they're only starting the nature reserve here at the Coves Reservoir. Well, I think it's actually been a reservoir for a while. It's just that what they're starting now is the group called, it's the Friends of the Coves Nature Reserve. So it's kind of, they're just trying to get the word out, but them trying to kind of do a lot of kind of work and upkeep on the nature reserve, and to try and kind of get more folk to come along, to volunteer, take part. So I'll post a link to a Twitter account and a Facebook account at the bottom of this page, in the description for this video, and I'd definitely recommend that you all kind of go follow them and kind of give them a like, and it'll definitely be something I'll be coming back to for an wee wander. Beautiful views, great location, and hope you all enjoyed seeing what I saw. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.